Before we install the IntelliArc on a circuit, it is recommended you install the BILT app on your mobile device as it provides free 3D interactive instructions with voice, text, and 3 days animation for the IntelliArc. The BILT app covers the IntelliArc hardware, setup, and troubleshooting instructions that are not covered in this series of videos, such as how to replace the battery and fuse. After installing the BILT app, open the app and search IntelliArc or IDT 6000. You will see 4 different instructions, which you will need to download. Unit and App Overview, Testing Modes, Fault Troubleshooting, and Waveform Reference Guide. Go to each instruction and press Start to download them to your mobile device. These instructions will then be saved and you can access them anytime. With the instructions installed, select Testing Modes. The cards here will cover how to install the IntelliArc on a circuit with listening mode, receptacle mode, and hardwire mode in detail. In the next video, we'll go over on how to install the IntelliArc on a circuit.